In one of my videos last month, I had talked about the state of the Texas real estate. I'm saying so because I keep getting this question from some of my clients. Are we in a recession? Are we heading to a recession? In that video, I said, in order for us to be in a recession, we're supposed to be in a situation where we have 10 to 12 months worth of inventory. Inventory are homes that are already built and ready to go. In Texas right now, we are at 3.5 months of inventory. See, it will take us a long time to get to 10 to 12 months before we talk about the recession. I also talked about the fact that the Federal Reserve, they understand that what took us out of the 2008 recession was the fact that the Federal Reserve, they dropped the interest rates from 5% to 4%, and a lot more people were able to get homes, and that stimulated the economy, because when the housing market is booming, every other aspect of the economy is booming. Welcome to C2C Mentors. This is a real estate mentorship community, and your family's finances is at the foundation. Today we'll be talking about a very interesting topic: down payment assistance. I get asked this question almost every day. What kind of down payment assistance, especially for first-time home buyers? Yes, there are some programs for first-time home buyers. The only thing is you need to do your research and make sure you find out where you fit in terms of your income and your credit. Thank you if you've already subscribed to our channel. If you have not done so, please do so. Every Friday, we drop in new videos on hot topics in real estate. Why are down payment assistance programs so popular? You can get a home with a very low income. Some traditional lenders require a certain amount of income for them to be able to give you a loan. Low credit score. Traditional lenders will require you to have at least 670, 650 score, but some first-time home buyers program, they can get you a home with as low as 580. Zero down payment. You don't have to come out with anything from your pocket. Some of those programs would actually pay for your down payment. Zero closing cost. Some of them will actually pay for your closing cost. Your closing cost is very different from your down payment. Closing costs are the fees that you pay to the lender plus your escrows. Some of them will take care of that for you as well. Some of them will actually give you a mortgage credit certificate. A mortgage credit certificate is a tax credit that you get on part of your mortgage interest. Remember, your mortgage interest is deductible as an itemized deduction. But then a mortgage credit certificate will give you a tax credit dollar for dollar on your taxes. A first-time home buyer is somebody who has not have any legal real property within the last 3 years. Some programs have approved lenders, and some programs will mandate you to work within a certain vicinity, within a certain zip code. So when you're looking for your first-time home down payment assistance program, make sure you ask, the program, can I use an outside lender, or do I have to use your approved lender? Can I use my real estate agent, or you mandate me to use your real estate agent? It's good to find out those questions. Will I be able to buy at a location of my choice, or you will mandate me to buy within specific zip codes? Those are the questions that you ask to any down payment assistance program before you get in them, so you don't go through the program, because some of them will actually want you to go through a short online course. You don't want to do all of that, invest your time, and then you find out that there are some restrictions in them. So make sure you ask those questions. Harris County Down Payment Assistance Program. It's called DAP, DAP. This program can provide you with down payment assistance up to $23,800 per family. And you can buy a house for up to $200,000. The maximum annual income is $80,600 for a family of 8. Another good down payment assistance program for first-time home buyers is the City of Houston Down Payment Assistance. This program is managed by the Houston Housing Community Development. This program provides up to $30,000 in down payment assistance for low income to moderate income families. You can use that money for your down payment. You can use it for your closing costs. You can use it for your principal buy down. The income limit is $83,250 for a family of 8. Some of them will even allow you to use it to buy points to reduce your interest rate. So they all have different things that they work for. So you have to do your research and see which one works best for you. My First Texas Home, it will provide you with down payment assistance and closing costs up to 5% of the loan amount. It also provides you with a mortgage tax credit certificate. Yeah, you can actually use this either on an FHA loan, VA, a USDA, or a conventional loan. It's the My Choice Texas Homes. It provides down payment assistance and closing costs, assistance up to 5% of your loan amount. And it also works with FHA, VA, USDA, or conventional loans. FHA stands for Federal Housing Administration, VA for Veteran Affairs, for people who are vets, USDA stands for U.S. Department of Agricultural Loans, and in conventional loans. And then you require a credit score of 620 in order to qualify for My Choice Texas Home Down Payment Assistance Program. Another good down payment assistance program for first-time home buyers is the Houston Neighborhood Lift Program. It can provide you up to $15,000 to $17,000 of down payment assistance. And of course, it is within the Houston city limits. See, if I were you and I'm looking to buy a house, I would check out some of these programs. The only thing you can lose is the time that you invest in actually researching these programs. But a lot more Americans, a lot more Hispanics are using these programs, but for some reason, due to lack of information, my people are not using these programs. That's why I did this research, and let me bring it out so you can get used to it and make use of part of this American dream. Another great first-time home buyer assistance program, Covenant Community Capital Home Buying Savings Match. How does this work? You're getting ready to buy your home. They provide you an advantage where you can save money with them, and they will match those savings up to a certain limit to help you to buy your home. And it's always advisable that you do this about 6 months before buying your home. So if you go to the website, covenantcapital.org, you have more information. And this is just, I call it free money. So why not take advantage of it? Check them out. Check out what their criteria are. And if you fall within that limit, You save money with them and they will match that money for you. That's free money. It's been funded by the government as well, by the city of Houston. So make good use of it. Texas is actually, celebrating its heroes. The Texas State Affordable Housing Corporation is called TSHOC. It provides down payment assistance under its program called Homes for Texas Heroes. And who are those who qualify for this? Teachers, firefighters, EMS personnel, the police, correctional officers, and veterans. So if you fall within this category, these are who we call our Texas heroes, and we salute you for all the work that you're doing to keep Texas going. Please, if you find yourself in any of this category, know that Texas has a down payment assistance program called Texas State Affordable Housing Corporation that is for you. It will provide you down payment assistance up to 3% of your loan amount. That is free money. So please make sure you take advantage of that. And I also hear that they are including nurses in this category as well. I'm not sure, but if you check on their website, you actually see, because I think nurses also are frontline workers and they're part of our heroes. So make sure these are all free programs being funded by the government. Why not take advantage of it? Another great down payment assistance program, and this is actually a nationwide program, so it doesn't matter if you're not in Texas, wherever you are, you can actually access NACA.org, NACA.org. It's the Neighborhood Assistance Program of America. NACA has a mission of making home ownership a reality for many Americans who have been denied the opportunity to the American dream due to the fact that they have very limited or no credit due to no fault of theirs. NACA realizes that the key to stability and security is for you to be able to provide some kind of generational wealth to your family, and they are standing there for those families. The highlights of this program: no closing cost, no down payment, lower interest rates, lower than the market rate sometimes. You can also set funds aside after closing to use for repairs on the house. Okay? And there's also no mortgage insurance. In the traditional world, anytime you're borrowing, you're getting a loan from the bank, and you're paying less than 20% of the loan amount, you are required to have a mortgage insurance. And that adds to your mortgage on how much you pay per month. With NACA program, there is no mortgage insurance. So that's really making it home ownership affordable. This is very important. I would advise everyone to read more about this and see how this can help you. It doesn't matter where you are in the United States of America. It's all about making your family's finances a priority. And that's all the mission of the C to C mentors. Counseling to closing mentors. We take you from the scratch and we deliver you a home and give you the financial literacy beyond that home on how you can provide generational wealth to your family. Thank you if you've already subscribed to our channel, and if you have not done so, please do so. Every Friday we drop in hot videos on real estate. Thank you.